Sending you love from Azusa Barbie. Hi Barbie dolls, I'm Azusa Barbie, Barbie lover in West Hollywood. Thanks for watching my video. Today I'm doing quarantine pink food cooking. Yay! Again, it's pretty easy cooking because I'm just making some pink milkshake today. Yay! Everyone loves milkshake. I do love milkshake. I could drink a milkshake every day if I could. But it has a lot of sugar, so that's only why I'm avoiding drinking every day. I'm thinking not just regular pink strawberry flavor, but I want to mix something else. I don't have real cheesecake, but I want to make little cheesecake-ish flavor today. Yeah. So let's start. So I'm using this Barbie blender. There's no really recipe for milkshake. You just need to put everything here and just blend it, you know. Most of my ingredients today are pinkish color, but I know it's not pink enough. So of course I'm gonna add some beet powder today. But I don't know which point I should put beet powder. And I think cream cheese can be dyed with beet powder. I already done it before. So first I want to make this cream cheese into pink. I think we can start from like a really dark pink first. It's been pretty hot in LA. Yeah, so I really needed something cold, like good cold dessert. The pretty pink. It's also good for like spread, like as a pink spread if you put on toast or something. Okay, so pink cream cheese is ready. For topping, I want to put some whipped cream, so let's whip it. It's taking longer than usual because my room is hot right now. Let me turn on AC, please. The noise is gonna be too loud, but you know, please forgive me. This is exactly why I needed milkshake today, because it's hot. Usually I put food color here, but I'm thinking maybe I could put beet powder here. Let me try. And if it didn't work, I will put some fruit color to make it pink. And I put some sugar here, but not too much. It's perfectly pink. I don't know why I was always putting artificial food color into whipped cream because the beet powder totally works. I don't know why I never put it. So pink cream is ready. And now frozen strawberries. I always have these frozen strawberries in my freezer. Maybe like half cup. Let's put some more. I like strawberries. And today I have this ice cream. Strawberry filled sundae. Strawberry ice cream with strawberries and cheesecake pieces. I usually get different brand, but this time I got it because of this cute package. And I'm putting this ice cream. 3 tablespoons. Don't forget this cream cheese. Because this ice cream, it said strawberry cheesecake flavor, but to me it wasn't cheesy enough. So that's why I'm putting some cream cheese. And this is Japanese snack, Japanese sweet. Let me show you. It looks like a pie cookie. It's really good. Yeah. So I'm putting this. Yeah, it's already sweet. It has a little sugar in it, but not too sweet. I'm gonna put this. Should I put one more maybe? Let's put one more. Maybe three pieces. It's good. Another one. I'm gonna eat it right now. Yummy. And also I'm adding white chocolate bacon chips. Just a little bit. And you know what? I don't think it's gonna be pink enough. So guess what I'm putting right now? Let's put a little bit beet powder. Not sure about the color. And now we need some milk. Okay, look like this. Do you think it's gonna be pink enough? I'm not sure, but Okay, let's do it. I can feel the taste gonna be really good. Now it's ready. Okay, yeah, beat it. Oh my gosh, it turned out a really cute pink, I think. Yeah, it's not too crazy, but it's pink enough. Yes, it's for one person, so that's why I love it. You can just use it as a cup. Yeah, you don't need to pour into glass or anything, so you can save the water, go green. Let's decorate. Okay, now like just after 5 minutes and the cream looks a little bit weird. You see some pink dots. Maybe this is why I quit putting beet powder into cream. I totally forgot. But this time it works because we are not making like serious cake or anything, but just milkshake, you know. So it should be fine. Alright. Okay, so I'm gonna whip pink cream on this milkshake. Pink cream on pink milkshake. Yay! A lot of cream, but this is good. This is cute. Pink sprinkles. Magical. I always think my milkshake is always cuter than any store made. Don't you think? I think mine's cuter. And today I'm putting this. Sending you love. So this pink milkshake is from me, Azusa Barbie, to you. I'm sending you love today. I'm putting some straw, but it's reusable. I can wash it. Yay! Ta-da! I made pink milkshake. Quarantine version pink milkshake. Let's try it. Okay, let me show you. Ta-da! I think quarantine pink milkshake. Sending you love from Azusa Barbie to Barbie people out there. I think it's definitely one of the cutest milkshake I've ever made. The pink color, it looks perfect. And also I'm really excited about the taste because remember I put white chocolate chips and also the pie cookie stuff and the cream cheese. I'm so excited to try this. The taste must be so good. It's getting hotter outside. If you are craving some cold and sweet thing, why don't you just make milkshake at home? Just be creative, and if you have one flavor for ice cream, and you can just put some other snacks and you can just create by your own. Just like I did. せーの、いただきます。Wow, this is so good. I'm glad that I put a bunch of frozen strawberries, so I can totally taste real strawberries still, you know. I can totally smell some cream cheese and also white chocolate. I could totally put even more pie cookies actually, but I can still have some texture, yeah, which I love. The best. Try this. If you want to get chill, don't go to the beach, but just make some milkshake like I did. Thanks for watching my video. Stay home, be safe, be happy. Hope you have Pink Barbie quarantine. Bye.